In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Skip Logic in Google Forms. Skip Logic is a powerful tool that allows you to create a more dynamic and user-friendly survey experience by directing respondents to different sections based on their answers. So, let's dive in and make your Google Forms even more engaging. First, you'll want to access Google Forms. You can do this by navigating to the Google Forms website using your preferred browser. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you're signed into your Google account. If you're not, you'll be prompted to log in. After signing in, you'll see the option to start a new form. You can choose from a blank form or use one of the many templates available. For our purposes, let's start with a blank form. With your new form open, let's proceed to add some questions. Click the plus icon on the right-hand menu to add your first question. Start by typing in your question and selecting the appropriate question type from the drop-down menu. Google Forms offers various question types such as multiple choice, drop-down, linear scale, and more. For Skip Logic, you'll typically want to use multiple choice or drop-down questions, as these formats allow respondents to select from predetermined answers, which is essential for Skip Logic to function properly. Once you have your question formatted, it's time to set up the Skip Logic. Click on the three-dot menu next to the required toggle button for your selected question, and then select Go to Section Based on Answer from the menu. This action will enable Skip Logic for that question. Now, when you hover over each answer option, you'll see an arrow that allows you to select which section respondents should be directed to based on their answer. If you haven't added any sections yet, simply click the Add Section icon on the right toolbar to create them. It's important to consider the flow of your form at this point. Think about which sections each answer should lead to and ensure they logically progress from one to the next. For instance, if you're asking a question about dietary preferences, you might direct those who select vegetarian to a section about vegan and vegetarian dietary habits, while directing non-vegetarian respondents to questions about meat consumption. This tailoring makes the form feel more personalized and relevant to each respondent. Once you've set up your Skip Logic, it's a good idea to preview your form to make sure it's working as expected. To do this, click on the eye icon at the top right of the page. As you click through the form, simulate a few different paths to verify that the logic is directing you correctly through the sections. If everything is working smoothly, you're all set, and your form is ready to share with the world. And that's all there is to it. By using Skip Logic in Google Forms, you can create a tailored experience that keeps respondents engaged and ultimately provides you with more relevant and organized data. Happy form building!